Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3169 count days without meetings. So this is a quite recent medium complexity array related coding question that came up on Leetcode. So I created one nice examples for you so that you can easily understand the logic how we can solve this problem. So let's start. You are given a positive integer days representing the total number of days and employees available for work starting from day 1. You are also given 2D array meetings of size n, where meetings I is start I and end I represents the starting and ending days of meeting I inclusive. Okay, so inclusive is important here. Okay, return the count of days when the employee is available for work but no meetings are scheduled. The meetings may overlap. Okay, so this is what the problem statement says. So we'll go through their examples. The days are between 1 to 10 raised to 9. Meetings dot length can be maximum 10 raised to 5, and meetings I dot length is 2 because there are only starting and ending time there. So let us take a look at their example. So here they have total 10 days, and these are the days where meetings, the employee is busy with meetings, right? So from 1 to 3 he is busy, from 5 to 7 he is busy, and from 9 to 10 he is busy with the meetings, right? So now which days he is available? Actually number 4 day and number 6 day, sorry, number 4 day and number 8th day, right? So total 2 days is available actually. So that's what we want to find out. So this is another example. When you have 5 days, he is busy from day 1 to day 3 and 2 to 4. It means that he is only available for day 5, so only one day. So you will have 1 here as the answer. Here he has a meeting from day 1 to day 6, and total days are 6, so it means that he is available for no day. Basically he is busy in meetings all the days, right? So 0 is the answer, right? So I hope you are understanding this problem now, what they are saying. So here is another example I created for you guys so that you can easily understand this problem in a better way. So in this case there are total 15 days for the given period, and these are the days when employee is busy in the meetings, right? And we want to find out how many days he is available, right, or free without meetings basically. Okay, so in this case there are 5 such days where employees available. So if I actually take this array of meetings and if I plot a graph like this, right? So I just created one nice graph for you. So this is how it will look like actually, right? So 1 to 3 he is busy, okay. Then 6 to 7 he is busy, okay, and 9 to 10 he is busy, and 12 to 14 he is busy basically, correct? So in this graph you will see that when he is not busy, he is not busy on day 4 and day 5, okay. He is not busy on day 8, okay. He is not busy on day 11, okay, and he is not busy on day 15th, okay. So how many total days are there? 1 2 3 4 5, right? So 5 is the answer basically, correct? Okay, so you understood this, I hope, clearly with this image and this diagram that I created for you guys. So it would be very easy for us to solve these kind of problems when we can sort these meetings, right? So that's what we have done here. That's why we can immediately find out our answer by looking at this image, right? Why? Because we are just looking at a sorted thing here. It's easy, right? So how we are going to sort them? We are going to sort the array based on the starting time of the meeting, right? So starting time of the meeting, so let's say first meeting will go start from 1 to 3, right? Then next is from 6 to 7. I will just sort it, write it down for you guys here. So next meeting will be 9 to 10 after sorting, right? And the next meeting will be 12 to 14 after sorting, right? 12 to 14, okay. So what I will do is I will start from the meeting, this meeting, right, second meeting, and I will start comparing with this previous end point, right? So this meeting is starting at 6, right, and this meeting is ending at 3. It means that, right, this time period is total 6 minus 3, which is 3, minus 1, right, minus 1, which is equal to 2. So it will tell me that how many total days it is available, right? 4 and 5, which is 2 days basically, right? Then when I go to the 9, right, when I go to the 9, my previous meeting is ending at 7. It means that how many total days are available here? 9 minus 7, which is 2, -1, correct? -1, why we have to do? Because it is inclusive meeting time, right? Because there is only one day here, right? 8. So you have to do -1. Okay, here same thing, where this meeting is ending starting at 12, this is ending at 10. It means that total is 12 minus 10, right, which is 2, right? 2 and 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1. So there is only one day here for 11, and here for 15 there is only one day for 15, basically, right? So this way sorting can help us solve this problem in a very easy way, right? And I shown you this clearly now how we can solve this problem. So the same thing we will implement it now. So let us go ahead, take a look at the Java code, so it will be like clear for you. So count days is what we are implementing, this method. Days is given to us, meetings 2D array is given to us, and in the meetings you have only two things for every element, right? Starting time and ending time, basically, or starting day and ending day. This method returns int, which is the number of available days or free days. First thing we will do here is the sorting, right? So we'll use arrays.sort method here. We'll pass meetings array and a comparator. So this is a lambda expression, basically, right? A comma b, integer dot compare a0 comma b0, which is a starting time. So actually it's ascending on the starting time, right? So like this one, basically I shown you, right? This is how we'll sort these meetings. Once you sort the meetings, you will create two variables, free days and previous end. Ending, basically it's 0 in the beginning. We'll start iterating through the meetings in this for loop whenever, and we will check if the current meeting start time, if it is greater than previous ending, right? It should be greater than previous ending, then only we have free days available. Then we will calculate the free days. How you will calculate? Meeting 0, which is starting time of the meeting, minus previous ending -1. So exactly what I shown you here, right? So in this case 6 minus 3 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, and it gives you 2, correct? So exactly what we are doing here. So starting time of the meeting is meeting 0 minus previous ending will tell you the previous ending time of the meeting of the previous meeting, and -1. You will add it to your free days, and you will have to update your previous ending with the maximum between your current previous ending and the current meeting ending, right? Whatever is the maximum, you will update that previous ending, correct? This is very important, that you have to take maximum, basically, right? Okay, so because there can be overlapping meetings, right? Okay, so after this for loop, you will have the number of free days available. So free days plus days minus previous ending for this last one, right? This we are doing for the last one, this last one, because there can be multiple days available here. So it's 15, so it's only one day. But if it is 20, it will be 20 minus 14, which is 6 days, right? So like this, basically, correct? So free days is equal to days minus pre end, right? So we have to add that free days into free days, right? And just return that free days, and this should solve the problem. And let us talk about the time complexity. So for loop is order of n, arrays of sorting is the more prominent factor here, which takes a order of n log n. So let us write down your time complexity here for you. So this one gives you n log of n time complexity, where n is total number of meetings given in that array, and the space complexity for you for this code is order of 1. This is also known as constant by many people, because we did not really use any data structures or any other like array list, linked list, nothing like hash state, hash map, nothing. We are not storing anything, right? So it's a constant on space solution. Okay, so this is how you can analyze this algorithm. So let us go ahead now, run this code, make sure the code compiles and run against the test cases. All the test cases are passed, as you can see here. So we are getting correct answers. This is the test case that I created for you guys, and we are expecting 5 here, and we are getting 5, which is a correct answer. Submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see on the left side, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It is 54.39% faster than other submissions, which is a pretty clean solution to solve this coding problem. So this is a problem on Leetcode 3169, count days without meetings, that we have solved by using a sorting, right? And we have understood this problem with this specific example along with this image that helped you, I hope, understand this problem in an easier and better way. And if it did, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It helps and supports this channel. Guys, it takes lots of efforts to create these videos, to create these examples, come up with these examples, create these images. It takes lots of efforts and time. So if you really want to appreciate our effort, try to be generous and give a like to the video, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science, data structures and algorithmic concepts. The important playlist that you should not miss from this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. The important data structures playlist for you are stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap and max heap. Go through those problems. You will definitely learn a lot from them, and you will also learn more programming and implementation by watching these videos as well. Share these videos with all your friends, so so they will also come to know about our channel. They will also watch and learn from these videos. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.